Hello children, how are you all? Today we are learning one new poem from the Marigold book, Standard 3. And the name of the poem is Bird Talk. So let us start singing. Bird Talk. Things at the robin, things at the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Things at the robin, things at the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Things at the robin, things at the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. They don't have petals, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Things at the robin, things at the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Things at the robin, things at the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? I hope you enjoyed singing with me. Until next time, stay tuned. Bye. Love you all.